My name is Afshar Rizvi and today we are going to study about motion and its types. So first, what is motion? When a body changes its position with some reference point, we say that the body is in motion. Means from rest to movement. We say that the body is in motion. There are many types of motion, but in today's class we are going to discuss about 3 types of motion. Number 1 is translational motion. When each and every point of a body moves uniformly in a straight line and in same direction without any change in its orientation, we say that the body is in translational motion. There are 2 further types of translational motion. Number 1 is rectilinear motion. Now I am going to demonstrate you about rectilinear motion. So students, I am moving this arrow from point A towards point B. Now see how this arrow is moving? It is moving in a straight line. It is covering a straight path. There is no orientation, change in orientation, and there is no rotation in the line. From point B to point A, again this arrow is moving in a straight line. This motion is known as rectilinear motion, means the motion in a straight line. The examples of rectilinear motion is motion of a train on a track or a motion of a car. Many other examples are there in our day-to-day life about rectilinear motion. Now second type of translational motion is curvilinear motion. Here in a field, 2 boys are playing. When a boy A kicks a ball towards boy B, see how this ball is moving? It is moving in a curve form. This motion is known as curvilinear motion. Means there is no change in its orientation. There is no any other rotation. It is moving in a curve form. This is known as curvilinear motion. So the best example of curvilinear motion is the movement of a ball. The second is rotational motion. When each and every body of an object moves in circular about the line which is known as axis of rotation. This point is known as axis of rotation, and see how this wheel is rotating. It is rotating about its axis. We say this motion as rotational motion. Many other examples of rotational motion are the earth moves along its axis, the rotation of earth, the rotation of spinning top, and the rotation of Ferris wheel are the best examples of rotational motion. The third is oscillatory motion. Now here I am going to place this object. Now see the movement of this object. It is to and fro. The repetition of time is same, the cycle is same, and the movement is to and fro. The to and fro motion of an object about its mean position is known as oscillatory motion. You can see this type of motion in your wall clocks. You can also see oscillatory motion in turning fork. You can see oscillatory motion in spring or strings, in guitars. All these motions are oscillatory motion. So student, today we have discussed about motion and its types. We have discussed about translational motion and its 2 types, rectilinear motion and curvilinear motion. We have already also discussed about rotational motion, and the third is oscillatory motion. So I hope you have understood the concept of motion. Thank you so much.